Hey folks, are you tired of the messy, risky transfer of hot soup from a pot to a countertop blender? Do you dream of making silky smooth sauces, dressings, or milkshakes with minimal cleanup? If you're searching for that single, versatile kitchen tool that promises to streamline your cooking process and unlock new culinary possibilities, then you are in the right place. An immersion blender or hand blender might just be the hero your kitchen needs. Today, I'm sharing that experience with you. I am counting down the top 6 best immersion blenders you can buy, from reliable workhorses to the undisputed champion. Let's get blending. 6. Vitamix 5-Speed Immersion Blender. Kicking off my list at number 6 is a name synonymous with blending power, the Vitamix 5-Speed Immersion Blender. As soon as you take it out of the box, you can feel the quality Vitamix is known for. The brushed stainless steel finish and matte black accents give it a premium look that would be at home in any high-end kitchen. Holding it, you can sense the potential of its 625-watt motor, a powerhouse designed to tackle tough jobs with ease. When I put it to the test, that power was immediately evident. It pulverized fibrous celery for a soup and turned frozen fruits into a smooth consistency without breaking a sweat. The unique 4-pronged blade, which is sharper than many competitors, combined with the wide blade guard, creates an incredibly deep and powerful vortex that pulls ingredients in efficiently. It has 5 distinct speeds, which are easy to cycle through with a single button, giving you a good amount of control for different recipes. It's a true performance machine for heavy-duty tasks. One of the standout features I really appreciated during testing was the thoughtfully designed bleed guard. The guard itself is crowned with hard plastic, which is a fantastic feature that lets you blend directly in your non-stick pots and pans without the fear of scratching the surface. The one-handed operation is also genuinely practical. The tapered grip fits comfortably in your hand, allowing you to manage the power and speed buttons effortlessly while adding ingredients with your other hand.
5. Koios 5-in-1 Hand Immersion Blender. The Koios 5-in-1 Hand Immersion Blender, a model that aims to be the Swiss Army knife of your kitchen. Right away, its main selling point is clear: incredible versatility. This isn't just a blender, it's a complete kitchen system that comes with a blending wand, a whisk attachment, a 500ml food processor bowl, a 600ml mixing beaker, and even a milk frother. It's an entire suite of tools designed to tackle nearly any food prep task you can throw at it. The heart of this system is its surprisingly powerful 1000-watt copper motor, which Koios claims is built for longevity and quieter operation. During my testing, the power was undeniable. It offers 12 adjustable speed settings controlled by a dial on top, plus a turbo button for an extra burst of power. I used it to make smoothies, chop vegetables in the processor attachment, and whip cream with the whisk, and it handled each task competently. The turbo feature was especially handy for breaking down tougher ingredients quickly and efficiently. From a usability standpoint, the Koios is very well designed. The buttons are responsive, and even though the speed dial is on top, the blender's motor runs so smoothly, without violent vibrations, that you don't need a death grip on the beaker. This frees up your other hand to easily adjust the speed as you work.
4. KitchenAid Variable Speed Corded Hand Blender. The KitchenAid Variable Speed Corded Hand Blender is known for its timeless design and reliability. This blender lives up to the brand's reputation. It's available in a wide array of vibrant colors, allowing you to match it to your kitchen's decor, and it has a reassuringly solid feel in the hand. It's the kind of appliance that feels like it's built to last. The star feature of this blender is its variable speed trigger switch. There are no set speeds. Instead, the blending speed is controlled by how hard you press the trigger. A light press gives you a gentle stir, while a full press unleashes the motor's full power. I found this to be incredibly intuitive, giving me precise, on-the-fly control over the texture of my blends. It also comes with a removable 8-inch blending arm and the patented pan guard, a clever plastic shield you can attach to protect your non-stick cookware from scratches. When it comes to performance, the KitchenAid excels at its core duties. It's absolutely fantastic for hot blending, making it a dream for pureeing soups and sauces directly in the pot. It creates a smooth, velvety texture without much effort, even with fibrous ingredients like broccoli. Another major advantage I noted during my testing was how quiet it is. Compared to many other blenders, its operation is surprisingly gentle on the ears, making for a more pleasant cooking experience.
Number 3, Hamilton Beach Professional Electric Hand Immersion Blender. Claiming the number 3 spot is the Hamilton Beach Professional Electric Hand Immersion Blender, a model that successfully bridges the gap between everyday convenience and professional-grade performance. The first thing I noticed was its thoughtful construction. It feels substantial and durable, with a comfortable, non-slip rubber grip that ensures stability and control, even when working with wet hands. What truly sets this blender apart is its exceptional user control. It features a one-hand variable speed control system, complemented by an LED screen that provides instant feedback on your speed setting. This allows for incredible precision. You can start slow to prevent ingredients from sputtering, and then seamlessly ramp up the speed for finer blending, all with one hand. It's a feature that makes the blending process feel both professional and effortless. The Hamilton Beach Professional is also a versatile performer. It comes equipped with both a stainless steel blending wand for pureeing and a whisk attachment for tasks like whipping cream or mixing batters. Its 300-watt peak power motor provides a great balance. It's powerful enough to handle most kitchen tasks with ease, but not so overwhelming that it feels unwieldy or difficult to manage. It's a true multi-purpose tool. During testing, I was particularly impressed with its smooth operation. Unlike some blenders that can shake violently or get uncomfortably hot during use, this model's remained balanced, cool, and comfortable to handle. 2. Elite Gourmet Immersion Hand Blender. Sliding into our number 2 spot is the Elite Gourmet Immersion Hand Blender, a compact powerhouse that proves you don't need to spend a fortune to get a fantastic tool. This blender is the perfect choice for anyone who values simplicity, efficiency, and smart design. From the moment you pick it up, you notice how incredibly lightweight and ergonomic it is. It's designed for comfort and fits perfectly in your hand, making it a joy to use. This blender's beauty lies in its simplicity. It does away with complicated dials and a dozen speed settings, opting instead for a straightforward 2-speed control, low and high. This makes operation incredibly intuitive. There's no guesswork involved. You just choose the speed that fits your task and get to blending. Cleanup is just as simple. The detachable blending wand clicks off easily and is completely dishwasher safe, which is a huge time saver in a busy kitchen. In terms of performance, the 300-watt motor is remarkably capable for its size. It absolutely excels at everyday blending jobs. I used it to create silky smooth smoothies from soft fruits, whip up salad dressings, and puree creamy vegetable soups. For these light to medium-duty tasks, it was both quiet and highly effective, delivering consistent results every time. Its slim design also allows it to fit into most mixing bowls and pots with ease.
1. Braun MultiQuick Immersion Hand Blender. And finally, we've arrived at the number 1 spot. After extensive testing, the clear winner is the Braun MultiQuick Immersion Hand Blender. Models from this line, whether it's the MultiQuick 5, 7, or 9 series, consistently represent the absolute peak of immersion blender design. They perfectly fuse immense power with brilliant, user-focused engineering to create a tool that is simply a joy to use. What truly sets the Braun apart is its innovative technology. It features the world's first active blade technology, where the flexible shaft allows the blade to move up and down. This motion dramatically increases the active cutting surface, allowing it to blend even the toughest ingredients with minimal effort. This is paired with Braun's Power Bell Plus design, which features an extra milling blade and advanced splash control technology. In my testing, this combination delivered finer, more consistent results while keeping my kitchen counter virtually spotless, a huge win. The control system is just as revolutionary. The easy Smart Speed technology does away with traditional speed dials and buttons. Instead, the blender has a single pressure-sensitive button. The more you squeeze, the more power it delivers. This provides seamless, intuitive control over the blending process without ever needing to stop or change settings. It feels completely natural and gives you an unparalleled level of precision, from a gentle pulse to a full power blitz.